In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy your diagram from drawio into Microsoft Word. This is useful when you want to add your diagrams into documents, reports, or school projects. First, create your diagram in draw.io or open an existing one. For this example, I will quickly choose a template so we have something to work with. Once your diagram is ready, go to the top left corner and click File, then select Save As. Save the diagram to your computer. I will choose my Downloads folder and click OK. Now open Microsoft Word. In Word, look at the top right menu and click Add-ins. From here, search for draw.io if you have not added it before, and then click Add. After it is installed, click the draw.io add-in icon again to open it. Now choose Device File because we saved the diagram to our computer. Browse to the location where you saved your draw.io file. Select it and open it. Word will show you a preview so you can confirm the diagram. Then click Insert. As you can see, the diagram is now added to our Word document. You can click and drag to resize it and position it however you want. That is how you import your draw.io diagrams into Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tutorials.